Today, I'm going to show you how to design and sell stickers on Redbubble, so you can start making some passive income with your art. Redbubble is a print-on-demand marketplace where artists upload their designs, and Redbubble handles all the printing, shipping, and customer service. You just focus on creating, and every time someone buys your sticker, you earn a royalty. It's the perfect way to start a creative side hustle. The reason why a lot of people like Redbubble as opposed to something like Etsy is on Etsy, if you have a design, you have to print it, ship it to someone, you have to handle customer service, so if someone's unhappy or didn't deliver, you have to figure all of that out, which can be very time consuming. But with Redbubble, all you have to do is upload your design, and that's it, you're done. So why focus on stickers? Stickers are one of the best-selling items on Redbubble. They're cheap for customers, they're easy to design, you don't need massive, complex artwork, you could just type out a quote from a TV show and people will eat that up. So how do you sell stickers on Redbubble? Let's walk through exactly how to do it. Step 1. Create your sticker design. You can use Photoshop, Illustrator, Procreate, Canva, whatever you like. I'm setting up my document in Adobe Illustrator. If you're doing this as well, I highly recommend to set your artboard to 2800 pixels by 2800 pixels. Use CMYK, high 300 dpi, and we will eventually export this as a PNG so we can get that transparent background. Some popular ideas could be quotes and phrases, cute animals, food illustrations, minimalist doodles. These all do really well on Redbubble. For this design, I've chosen a quote from a TV show, and then I've chosen a font I think people will like. I've arranged it the way that I like. I'm liking this design so far, so I'm gonna add a white stroke or outline to my design. When you upload your design to Redbubble, if your image is transparent, Redbubble will add a white stroke to your sticker design. They will outline it in any empty space, and I typically find it's better when I add the white outline myself, and I can make it as thick or as thin as I want. Once you're happy with your design, you can export it as a PNG to make sure we have that transparent background. Save it to your computer, and now we're gonna upload it to Redbubble. Step 2, sign up for Redbubble. Let's make sure you have an account. Go to redbubble.com, click sign up or log in. Make sure to create an artist account. Step 3, upload your design. Click sell your art, add new work. Upload your sticker PNG. Step 4. Optimize your title and tags. Title. Keep it simple but descriptive. Now for tags, this is where you're going to add relevant keywords. You can use up to 50. This is where you can just add in everything you want related to your design. Think about what people are going to be typing in on Redbubble to discover your design. Now Redbubble will automatically create different products using this design, but let's just focus on stickers for now. Step 4. Publish and promote. Hit publish and your sticker is live. Share your shop link on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, or anywhere your audience hangs out. So how do you sell even more stickers? Here's how to maximize your sales. Upload lots of designs. More products equals more chances to sell. Follow trends, holidays, memes, seasonal designs. Focus on niche communities. Gamers, plant lovers, dog owners. You can get really specific with an indie game that not a lot of people know about, so when people look up that specific sticker, you're not having to compete with everyone else. Even if you don't get sales right away, the more art you upload, the more your income grows over time. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing as I'm coming out with a lot more videos just like this. Thank you, and see you in the next video.